All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol GEVO, Gevo Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts and feedback. It means a lot to me, and I hope to continue to relay nothing but helpful and informative information and nothing less from my end to you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into this chart. After a very bearish run since September 2nd and slightly having recoveries, right, from the bulls, but not being able to test the 50-day moving average twice and break right through it. The Bears are definitely dominating this one, and they've brought this to newer lows. And let's go ahead and see what's important. So I'm going ahead and putting our support level here slightly close to the recent low here. This is from September 4th last week. This was the low that this has reached, and it's a little bit below the closing price. So I want to use that as our support because that's the lowest point that we've seen. And then here's our resistance level slightly above the 50-day moving average. Let's go ahead and see what that is exactly. If I can put this on its exact point. Slightly above that. Let's see here. Just bear with me 1 second, guys. Land this on the right point. All right, there we go. That's our resistance. So the 50-day moving average is not that far away from that. The 50-day moving average is 110, and our resistance is literally 110. Wow. So 50-day moving average must be like 110.03, and our resistance is like 110.90, closer to 11 almost, right? 1.11. But as we can see here, they're very close to each other. If resistance does get broken through, that means that the 50-day moving average has been broken through. And also, we're now in bullish territory. So resistance can be turned into support and work into newer highs and newer levels. But this closed out at 103. So the bulls are going to have to come in hefty and strong to recover this one, break through the resistance, break through the 50-day moving average, turn it into support so they can start to test newer highs and hit new resistance levels and get back into bullish territory. On the other spectrum of things, the Bears. The Bears are going to want to actually break through 103. So as we can see here, it's probably the lower end of 10. Oh, actually, it's below this point. Excuse me. This is the lowest point that we've seen in the last couple of days. It's 102. So for the Bears to continue to break through new support levels and newer lows, they're going to want to break through 102. If they break through 102 after closing out 103, they're going to be able to hit new support levels and newer lows by bringing this further away from the 50-day moving average of 110 and start to bring this further away into bearish territory. So I'd pay very close attention to this stock if it breaks through 102 because that is the lowest point that this reached here back in September 3rd. I was going off of this one on September 4th, but no, September 3rd was the lowest point in the last couple of days, as we can see here in the chart. And if 102 gets broken through, this will test new lows and new support levels. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. The Bears are definitely dominating this one. We're going to have to see how this plays out. If you learned something new, please subscribe to this channel. And if you feel encouraged to, don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video. To all my subscribers, double check if you've clicked on the bell so that you guys can receive my updated videos every day on the chart analysis as well. You won't miss a single video. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.